This brush really makes a difference. Look how smooth and shiny it is now. I like to dispense a few drops into my palm, rub my hands together, and then gently work the serum into the ends of my hair. Use the metal tip to define the line precisely. Then, switch to the fine teeth of the comb to carefully smooth the front section into place.
And now I'm gently separating this piece. Perfect.
Gently twisting this section back. The key is keeping the tension even so the twist looks neat and elegant when finished.
Elevate your everyday style with the perfect accessory. It feels absolutely effortless and chic.
To get these soft waves on short hair, work section by section. Clamp the iron near the ends, hold briefly, then release smoothly. The curl should fall naturally.
Oh my gosh, the curls look incredible. It's amazing how different they look. I love it.
Gently run your fingers through the waves to loosen the curls and add volume. Finish by applying a tiny amount of shine serum to the ends. So here is the complete look. I absolutely love how the waves turned out with this pearl clip.
Elevate your elegance. The new Pearl collection, designed to shine as brightly as you do.